Things are a little harder to walk through here than what you think. Like on the outside, I was like, no problem. There's tons of stuff in here that doesn't scream IKEA. I was wrong. It all screams IKEA, but you gotta be very selective in where you use it. If you need a lazy Susan for your house or apartment, this is the one. It screams nothing of IKEA. It's only $2.99. An inconspicuous rattan rug. Does not scream IKEA, and you don't have to wait to get it ordered. You just come in the store and pick it up. All right, on these rugs, you wouldn't be able to tell a Pottery Barn from an IKEA. This is IKEA. It works perfectly.
It's not in Russia, but it works well if you want to decorate like Russia. Tell your babushka, do not do this in your house because you do not want it to scream IKEA.
Fiddly figs. That's what I'm going to call them right now. Fiddle leaf figs. Get them here. We are in the Turkish rug area, which has rugs that look like they're from Scandinavia, Turkey, even stuff that I've seen in other places that look like it's made in Iraq or Iran. Very cool woven stuff. It's not cheap, it's a little pricey, but I'm thinking that's why it doesn't look like IKEA. You should get it if you can afford it. It looks like it came out of a Moroccan rug market, as do all the ones in this little space in IKEA. It's very small, it's very pricey, but again, it doesn't look like IKEA. This rug, the Medrup, $12.99. This little baby, this is screaming IKEA right here. No sense whatsoever. No, let's see you break your camera. Oh my God, no. You are welcome to buy some of these. They don't scream IKEA at all. These babies look great, but it does scream IKEA. Sorry. This is not IKEA. I mean, it is IKEA, but you'd never know it. This is a duvet insert. They have 3 different levels. None of them say, this is IKEA, because you're going to cover it with something, whether it's from IKEA or not. Light, warm. Warm. And downright hot. Can't get any better than that. So you're welcome to buy every linen you have here at IKEA. But if you don't want it to scream IKEA, stick with all their solid colors. Now let's get real here. If someone's at your place and you're cooking in IKEA cookware and they go, oh, that's from IKEA, well, you're cooking for them, right? Tell them to go eat their dinner somewhere else. We buy every single one of our napkins from IKEA. No one ever knows it because guess what? They're just pretty napkins, and that's all that matters. Front of your house doesn't look IKEA. Looks like Target, Sam's, Walmart. They all look the same, but it's nicer to buy here, especially for $7.99. You're probably gonna pay $15 for it other places. Like we had discussed with the bedding, solid colors, perfect. And same goes for window treatments here. Go with the solid colors and maybe not the designs that they have printed in them, and you're rocking and rolling. Over here, designs, screaming IKEA. Over here, back over here. Nice, solid color. Even this, solid color. Even in white. These are a staple around most places that we do. Nice, solid white. Just a white curtain. And guess what? who knows where it came from? This is absolutely too cool, and it's holding cool artwork. And we bought a couple for places, you know, Airbnbs, and the trouble is, it is really a cool item, and it's hard not to buy it, but it does scream, hello, you bought it from Ikea. So that's all I've got. Hopefully I've given you some good tips on how to be chic and not cheap using great Ikea products. See you on the flip side. Dude, Mom, watch me. I'm really gonna go off. I'm gonna go off. See, is he still there? And what?
In white.
What? Mother Russia.